Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Here we were, at the Millennium Cricket League, where UFI Sports Cricket Club clashed with the Shield. A spectacle awaited as each team geared up to weave a narrative of dominance and skill in this Division A encounter.
The stage was impeccably set as whispers of strategy and the smell of freshly cut grass filled the air, with fans eager to witness a tale of cricketing prowess unfold in the grand arena.
Thank you to our event advertisers for bringing us this electrifying match. Their support mirrors the enthusiasm and competitive spirit we have seen on the field today.
Much like DifGen Pharmaceuticals acquiring expertise, we witnessed a team assembling victory with precision. And speaking of assembly, the Park Specials feast is a culinary lineup second to none.
UFI Sports Cricket Club wielded the willow like artists painting their dominance decree, etching a mammoth score that set the tone. Key moments came thick and fast, as partnerships thrived, and the opposition's bowling attack was dispatched with imperial disdain.
Indeed, the pivotal moments snowballed, with the Shield's decision to bowl first, only to watch the ball soar beyond the boundary repeatedly. Their chase was a mountain too steep, and their wickets fell like dominoes, each clatter echoing their diminishing hopes.
Ronak Patel and Mohit Thadani stitched together a partnership of 109 runs, a bedrock of dominance that allowed UFI to chart a course towards a formidable total.
The Shield's bowlers swung and spun, but the batsmen countered with strategic might. Each boundary a calculated strike, they built a first innings fortress.
In response, the Shield crumbled under pressure, their innings never finding the foothold needed to climb the monumental summit set by UFI.
UFI's bowlers, spearheaded by Anirudh Emmanuel and Ronak Patel, unleashed havoc, tearing through the batting lineup with surgical precision, reaffirming the grip on their crushing dominance.
Ronak Patel shone with bat and ball, his name echoing around the ground as he scripted moments that turned the game into a one-sided affair.
Patel's all-round brilliance set the stage, while Sai Chaitanya Kakarla and Anirudh Emmanuel's efforts were etched in the annals, altering the course of the match inexorably.
Victory was claimed by UFI, a staggering 201-run margin underscoring their supremacy, a result born from strategic mastery and unyielding execution.
Shock and awe in tandem, the scale of victory sending waves across fanbases and opponents alike. A statement win that will echo in the rivals' minds. Reflecting on the past, this match goes down in history as a testament to the sporting theatre, where heroes and narratives are forged in the cauldron of competition.
As the dust settles, we look forward to the ripples from today's emphatic performance, imagining its impact on encounters to come in this captivating cricketing odyssey.